as a racket. Y'all know I live out in the woods. But anyway, you hear something in the background, that's them. They've been out there all daggum day and they're about to drive me crazy. But anyway, this is the Santa's Workshop Stamping Starter Kit from Maniology. My nails, my Christmas nails, I did with the Maniology stamping plates and polish, and I love them. Y'all know I adore this company. But right now, as of the time of the recording of this video, they are giving away 100 of these Santa Workshop stamping starter kits, and to enter, look in the description box or just look down in the comments, and I'm going to have a link down there for you. Just click on that link and it's going to take you to where you can enter. I'm also going to have a link down below where you can jump on their site and shop and look at all their other cool holiday items, because they've got a lot of cool stuff on their site. But anyway, these stamping starter kits are perfect if you want to kind of just try out nail stamping without buying a whole bunch of stuff. It pretty much contains everything that you really need to get started, except for the nail polish remover, the acetone, but this is the kind that I use, and you do need that to clean your stamping plate between stamps. And I'm going to give y'all a demonstration here just in a second. Anyway, let us open this one up and see what's in it. It comes with this little booklet here. This is your stamping kit starter guide. Just tells you about it and tells you how to get started. All kinds of good information on those. And then here is the plate. And I'm trying to angle this so that my light doesn't reflect it and just like blind you. But anyway, this plate number is M341. And let's take a look. Look, there's the little truck with the tree, snowflakes. Look at this, like some hot chocolate. We have the clothing and some trees, more snowflakes, some greenery and holly berries, and the candy stripe here. All kinds of cute stuff across there. So you get that plate. And the most important thing in nail stamping is the stamper. And this is in there. So you get your scraping card and your stamper in this cute holiday print here. Isn't that cute? Then you get 2 bottles of nail polish, and I adore their polish. Really good stamping polishes here. So this one, the color of this is fleece, and it's this beautiful silver color. And then here is this red Kesar. All right, so that's what comes in this kit. Pretty much everything you need, like I said. But anyway, let me grab some nails or something and I'll show you how to stamp. So I'm going to show you how to do this on an artificial nail. But listen, so many people ask me this. Yes, you can do this on your natural nails. This is not something that's just for artificial nails. But anyway, I'm not going to get out my stamping mat and all that. But this is just some tape. And I'm just going to fold it over on itself so that the sticky side is out. That's what I use to clean my stampers, okay? And I love their stampers. I have used so many different brands of stampers. I've been stamping my nails for years. You know, stamping is nothing new. This has been around for a long time. So I think I've tried pretty much every brand there is out there. But I just use these little doohickeys when I do artificial nails. Let's just get my stand out. And I just get these artificial nails in bulk. These are short. To me, these are short. So I like to, you know, just use them when I just play around with different designs. So I'm just going to stick that there, and let me get the rest of these nails on there. Okay, now for the artificial nails, I have like my little buffing block here, and I just buff them just until it takes that shine off, because if you don't do that, your polish is going to peel off, okay? And let's just, wow, I haven't worn nails this short in a long time. I'm not going to wear these. I'm just doing these for the video. But anyway, I just buff off the shine. Now, if you're doing it on your regular nails, of course you don't have to do this, because, you know, you don't do this when you're painting your regular nails. Your natural nails, I guess I should say. No, you don't have to do that. See, just buffing that off. Okay, so once you have on your fake nails here, once you have all the shine buffed off, just kind of blow off any dust there. Now you're going to put down your base coat of polish. I have tons of their polishes, but I'm just going to use what came in the kit, okay? So we're going to use this red color here, and we're just going to paint the nails. I'm going to use 2 coats. And always start from the center and go out. Why? Because if you start at the edge and drag it, a lot of times you build up polish underneath that free edge, and it doesn't look very nice. So I start in the center and work my way out. Isn't that color pretty? So let me paint the others. Let's see about how opaque this is. Their polishes, their stamping polishes are pretty opaque, and that's what this is. It's a stamping polish, but you can use their stamping polish like I'm doing over the whole entire nail. You know, it's not just for stamping. Okay, so these are done, and I'm just going to set them over here to the side and let them dry. Now, a lot of people say, I can't get the polish to pick up. Are you taking off the coating on the plate? Are you taking that off? You have to take that off, and I just use something like this, something sharp, whatever you have, and just pick up the corner. Like I said, I'm trying to like not shine the light in this, but anyway, now here is your plate, and here are all the little designs that are etched in there. Now with Maniology plates, I've noticed that their designs are etched a little bit more deeply than a lot of the other brands out there, which is why I really like them. But anyway, now we're going to let the nails dry. You do not want to stamp over wet polish, over, you know, like, if it's not 100% dry, don't stamp on it, okay? Because then you're going to mess up your design. So let that dry, and I will be back. All right, I believe these are dry. So now let us pick out a design to stamp. I think I'm going to go for these snowflakes here. I love snowflakes. I don't know. Snowflakes are my thing. I love them. So anyway, you want to have your scraper card handy and your stamper handy. So now what you're going to do is get out your stamping polish, and let me say this, because a lot of people ask me this as well, can you stamp with regular polish? It depends on the polish, it depends on the brand. Now stamping polish is thicker and more opaque than standard polish. It has to be in order to pick up the design. If you use a lot of these brands, you know how you paint your nails, you have to put on 3 and 4 coats. If it's like a 1 coat polish, it will probably stamp pretty well. You just have to try it out and see. But with the Maniology stamping polishes, you don't have to worry about if your polish is going to stamp or not. So now we get this, and you have to be quick about this, okay? You don't want your polish to dry in the little crevices or it will not pick up. So you take your polish, paint it on, scrape off the excess with your card. Don't press down hard. Just scrape off the excess, and then we're going to take our stamper and just press it down and pull it back up. Don't really press it down on there, because then when you do that, all you're doing is just pressing the polish down into the little grooves even further, and it's not going to stick to your stamper. Just lightly and then back up, okay? Just practice with it, okay? It can take a little bit of practice. Just practice with it and you'll get it. But anyway, I'm going to put on this beautiful silver polish here, scrape it off with the card, boink, and there it is. There's my design. Okay, now we have a little bit of lettering down here that we don't want on there, and if you do that, like if you pick up another piece of a design that you don't want to go on your nail, just take a piece of tape, and let's see, just take a piece of tape and just lightly touch it. Boom, there it is. It's gone. Now we're going to clean up this side too. Just touch it to the design, and the tape just pulls it right on off. Okay, so now you take your nail. This is your real nail. Just place it over your real nail. I don't know if you can y'all see this? Yeah. So you just press it on top of the nail. Just press it down, and I'm going to rock it just a little bit to get the design on the nail. And there you go. Now I'm just going to take my finger and just kind of smooth down the edge there, and it'll break that other polish free so that it's not sticking to the nail. Is that a hair that I just got on there? My cat was in here a while ago. She knows that she ain't supposed to be in here. Okay. But anyway, look at that. Is that not pretty? Those subtle little silver snowflakes. Okay. Now I have like my little buffing stick over here, and just going to lightly sand the edge there just to get off any excess polish. I don't really think there's, look here. Okay, that looks good. I'll just set that off to the side. Now, this is why I have this tape over here. Try to move this. This is why I have this tape right here. Just take your stamper and just stick to it, and there. You've just cleared off your stamper. Never ever use acetone or any type of solvent on your stamper. You will screw it up, okay? Please do not do that. But now we need to clean our plate, and you want to thoroughly clean your design between your stampings, okay? If you don't, then you're not going to pick up a good design. And this little tool from Maniology makes it pretty easy. just kind of get your acetone on there and just clean your plate right on off. Now let that dry thoroughly before stamping again, okay? Because if you put the polish on there and the acetone hasn't dried, it's just gonna oogie up your polish. Okay, now you see your scraper card? Just wipe that polish off. The acetone is not going to destroy the card, okay? And right when I was trying to talk, they're out there with their daggum loud trucks. Anyway, now I got to do this part again. We're going to do the Christmas trees this time. So let's just kind of put the polish here. Doink, doink, doink. Scrape it off. Press down your stamper. And there's your design. Cute, right? So now let's find us a piece of tape and get off this excess here. Boink. Okay, that'll do. Okay, now let's get us another nail. Like I said, right when I started to do it, they're out there being all kinds of loud, so. And there we go. There's our little Christmas trees. How cute is that? Anyway, I really like this set. I mean, you know, you could do so many different things, and if you have, you know, different colors of polishes, you can do so many different designs. What I really want to try right here is this stripe, this stripe. So let me clean this and be back. All right, so this has been cleaned. Let's get my card here. Get some polish on there. Yoop. Boop. Okay, there's our stripes. Now let me get that off. You just get another piece of tape like so. I have so many rolls of this tape laying around. Very, very helpful when getting off the excess polish. Okay. Let's get this other nail over her. Let's just kind of, there we go. Okay. And there is our stripe. Isn't that cute? Let's see. My lighting is not working with me today. But how cute is that? Now, you don't have to put a top coat on here if you don't want to, but I like to. It just brings it out, okay? I'm having trouble speaking. It just brings it out. Now, you have to be very careful when using top coats because once you drag it across your design, it will dissolve it and then it just kind of smears it. But with the Maniology smudge-free top coat, you don't have to worry about that, okay? I have never had their top coat to destroy any stamping image that I put on there. So anyway, let's get this. And once again, I do my top coat the same as I do the color. Starting from the center and going out. Of course, if it's your natural nail, then just paint your natural nail. But anyway, isn't that pretty? Pretty, pretty. So I'm looking forward to using this. Probably going to make another video pretty soon. Just using that stamping plate right there, and I'll do a whole set of nails. I'm waiting for some more supplies to come in. There you go. Well, let's just stick it back on here. Let's see. I just think everything just looks better with a top coat. Okay, and there's that. But anyway, like I said, the link for the giveaway is down in the description box. And listen, if there's music on this video, which I think I might, when I edit it, I think I'm going to add a little bit of music to it just to try to drown out the noise in the background. So I know most of my videos don't have music, but I think I'll put it on this one. Anyway, go check out that link and go enter. Go check out their website. Look at all their fun holiday stuff they have coming out. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.